Slide number 69. We have learned a major scale, minor scale, and pentatonic scale. Is a new scale for you. Pentatonic means 5. So a scale having 5 notes. So even pentatonic scale, you will have major, you will have minor. So we are not going too deep into this because our keyboard course is mainly to play Indian songs. So you can learn in our future courses where you will get all kind of scales, all complete theory. This course is about how to play Indian music, Bollywood songs. So pentatonic scale is a scale which has 5 notes. For example, I can give you. Later on, we can go in depth on my future courses. So immediately you will say, sir, this is some raga. Yes, 5 score scales, whether Indian music or Western music, same rules. It's a theory of music applies to any music in the world. So sa re ga pa da sa. So that is the thing. So pentatonic 5 notes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again back to. In Western music, what they will do? They will come back here. That's it, Western music. Indian music, because we are ending in the tonic C, so it sounds like Indian. It sounds something different, but same pentatonic, but the starting point is C. It's C. Now if it's A minor, C, A minor. This is the difference, the pentatonic of C or A. If you want to play Indian music, it is. That's how the formula is 1, 2, 3, then the 5, the 6. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 8 again. This is the pentatonic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 notes are used. The next note becomes an octave for moving forward.